Lakshya. So let's start with this circumcenter in this video. So guys, they have given was the given question. Find the circumcenter of the triangle whose vertices are 1, 3, -3, 5 and 5, -1. So these are the given vertices. Actually, find the circumcenter of the triangle. So we must find the circumcenter of the triangle. They are already given the vertices. So we must find the circumcenter of the triangle by the with the help of these vertices. So before finding it, you will be having the questions like this, or you will be having another model. So that will be they will be given an equation. Okay, they will be given an equation like they will give 3 equations, guys. Okay. So from that equation we must derive these vertices. Okay, we must find out the vertices, and from that vertices we can drag an equation and we can find out the circumcenter of the given triangle. But here in this question they already given these vertices, points of vertices, and in the following videos I will be again explaining the equations, how to find out the vertices if they are given in equations. But here in this video, first let's find out how to find the circumcenter of the triangle. Okay. So circumcenter of the triangle solution. Guys, as they have given circumcenter of the triangle. Okay, just make a point over there where they have given what? Triangle. So let's make a triangle over here. So let this be a triangle. So this is the given triangle. Now here, this is the midpoint. Okay, or the center of this given of this given triangle. So let this be the center. So from this point to this point, and from this point to this. Wait a minute. From this point to this point, and from this middle point to the upper point. So let us make the names, like let us name it as A, B, C. Okay, let it be. So here, let this be this point. Okay, let this be point S, A, B, C. Clear? As you can see, guys, we're A. So here, let this be A. Let this point be B, and let this point be C. Clear? Now here where A points are what? 1, 3, and B points are what? -3, 5. Okay, clear? And C points are what? What are C points? C points are given 5, -1 are the C points. Now guys, here as you can see, where the distance between SC, okay, the distance between SC is equals to the distance between SB, which is equals to the distance between SA. Are you getting it? As here I can say that this midpoint, right, that's the center of this given triangle. So here I can say the distance between SA, as you can see, this is the S point and this is A. Okay, so this point, the distance between SA is equals to the distance between SB, which is equal to the distance between SC. Clear? This is the very important one for any circumcenter of the triangle. If they have given the question like this, circumcenter of the triangle, the very first step you must do is you just draw the diagram, you just point those points, and you make this condition like when SA is equal to SB is equals to SC. Clear? Clear? Very good. Now what you do is nothing but find out the distance. Okay, so if you equate SA and SB, if you equate SA and SB, you will be getting an equation. Okay, you will be getting an equation. Now, if you again equate SB and SC, you will be getting another equation. Clear? And that from solving those equations, you will be getting points x point and x point of x and point of y. I mean value x of value of x and value of y. And so that both values will be the circumcenter of this given triangle. I will be explaining you here. So this will be the second one, okay? Don't get confused. So this both will be one equation. So I will be explaining this much clearly. Wait a minute. Okay. So as we know the one equation where SA is equals to SB, which is equals to what? SC. Okay. So firstly you consider SA. Okay. So just consider SA, SB. I mean I can write here where SA is equals to SB. Now what you do is square on both sides. Okay. SOBS. Means squaring on both sides. So don't write SOBS in your examinations. Don't try to use shortcuts. Use long cuts because your paper will be filled easily. Okay. So here SOBS squaring on both sides. So here square on both sides where SA square is equal to SD square. Clear? So guys, here I know the A values, I know the B values. Okay, where A value, B value already given in the question. So what will be the S value? What will be the S value? S value will be x comma y, because we don't know the x values, right? So where x value will be x comma y. So with these x comma y, with these values are the circumcenter of the triangle. Clear? These x comma y, with these values, you will be getting x value and y value after equating the whole equation. So with this x comma y are the circumcenter of the given triangle. I can say value of s are the circumcenter of this given triangle. Clear? Very good. So guys, here let us find out this s equals to x comma y. X equals to x comma y. Clear? Very good. Now here what you do is x minus, we know the formula, with distance formula, x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. We know that formula, right? So here you have square root get cancelled, so I can immediately easily take like x2. So let this be x1 y1, okay, and a values is equals to 1 comma 3. So let this be x2, let this be y2. Clear? Hope you got it. Now what you do is, guys, here we know the distance. Guys, remember the distance formula. The distance between 2 points formula is what? Root of, remember this, x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. We know this formula, right? We know this formula. We have learned this formula in locals. Okay, if you just remember it, you will be getting it. So here, guys, already I have written out SS square I got. Here I have root, square root. I can write this as whole square. According to this one, okay, squaring on both sides means I have written whole square. So here I can cancel square root. So I will be left over with what? Okay, I will be remained with what? Are you getting it? I will be remained with what? x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square will be the remaining value that I would get. So I can write, let it be AB. Okay, AB value will be x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Clear? So here I would just consider x2 minus x1. x2 value is what? 1. 1 minus x1 value is what? X whole square. Clear? Are you getting it? Dekh so slow, so much. Okay, 1 minus x1 whole square plus, here you have y2. y2 is what? 3 minus y whole square. This is equals to b value. Just what you do, you again substitute b values, where b is equals to minus 3 comma minus 5. Sorry, minus 3 comma 5 are the b values, right? So here x2 means how much? Minus 3 minus x1 is what? X minus 3 minus x whole square plus 5 minus y whole square. Clear? Now just solve this, and again you will be going with the second one. Okay, firstly you solve this whole thing. Okay, you will, from this, by solving this one you will be getting an equation, guys. Okay, by solving this you will be getting an equation. 1 minus x whole square. This reminds me of a formula. The formula is what? A minus b whole square is equals to what? A square plus b square minus 2ab. Right? A square plus b square minus 2ab. So 1 square, 1 plus x square minus 2 ones are 2x. Clear? I am done with this one. Okay, I have written this as a square plus b square minus 2ab. Clear? And again plus here. A square means what? 9 square. 3 3s are 9, right? 3 3s are 9. A square plus b square minus 2 3s are 6y. Clear? This is equals to a square plus b square plus 2ab again. So minus 3 into minus 3, how much? Plus 9. Okay? Plus b square means x square minus 2 3s are 6, right? 2 3s are 6. Where 2 minus 3 minus 6. Are you getting it? Minus 6 into minus x plus 6x. Are you getting it? Plus 6x. 2 3s are 2 into minus 3 minus 6. Minus 6 into minus x plus 6. X plus 6x. Clear? So again plus over here. Hope you got it. And here you have 5 minus y square. So here 5 square is what? 5 has 25. Plus y square minus 2 5s are 10y. Clear. That way, right? Yeah, so this is what we got. Now guys, what you do is just try to solve this. So here comes the solving process will be good, right? Here x square square cancel. Okay, here x square cancel. This is x square. Okay, x square cancel. You have y square cancel on the both the sides. And are we getting any common thing here? You have minus 6y, here you have plus 6x. So no, we can't cross it over. Okay, let it be. So we got this one. Now what you do is, guys, here, just go with this. So here you have 10 plus 10. Okay, here you have minus 2x. So let it be. Let me write down minus 2x, and here you have minus 6y. Okay, so after writing this, we solved everything. So what you do, just try to cut this. If you won't cut right, then you will again think of the value. Okay, here I am getting a value, here I have a value, and I should write the value. You will again repeat the value. So make sure after writing this, try to cut off all the values. Here you have plus ended. So just what you do is just transfer this whole thing to the other side. Okay, so here the plus becomes minus, minus becomes plus. I mean, here you have plus 9, here it becomes what? Minus 9. Are you getting it? Here you have plus 6x, here becomes minus 6x. Plus 25, minus 25. Minus 10y, plus 10y. Are you getting it? Which is equals to 0. Now here try to solve the given one. Clear? Solve. Here minus 2x, right? So let me write down here firstly minus 2x. Minus, before writing minus 2x over there. Here I have minus 2x. Here I have minus 6x. 6x, 2x, minus 8x. Right? So let me write down minus 8x. So I'm done with this both. Okay. So 6x, 2x, minus 8x. I'm done with this both. And now here minus 6y. Here I have plus 10y. This becomes what? Plus 4y. Are you getting it? Done. Now, next what else? We are left with minus 25 here, plus 10. Minus 15. Minus 15, minus 9. How much? Okay, let it be 25. 9. 34 minus 1. 24. Okay. So here minus 25, 15. Okay. This gives us minus 24. Minus 24. Clear? Equals 0. I am done with this 3. So this is what we got. Okay, so this is the value that I got now. Okay, so this is the value that I got. Now what you do? You just try to, here I have 7. I can look after 4 table, guys. Okay, just make a look after 4 table by minus 4. Here I am taking minus 4 because here I have got x value as minus guys. Remember guys, for your lifetime, where here minus 8x. Remember, here we should not get the minus value. Okay, before x value we must not get a minus value. Always the x value should be positive. Okay, here if I get a minus value, okay, here if I get a minus value, it's okay. Okay, chalta hai. Lekin if here it is minus, then it won't work. We must convert this minus into plus. Okay, so here we must convert the minus into plus. If x value is minus, make sure you convert the minus into plus. Clear? So now here to convert this minus into plus, I am going to multiply with minus, where minus into minus becomes what? Plus. Minus into minus becomes what? Plus. So that's what I am just multiplying with minus 4. Minus 4, here this becomes what? 2x. Means minus 4 into 2, minus 8, right? So 2x. Multiplying with minus 4, right? So minus 4 into minus 8, how much? Minus 4 into minus plus, so plus 2x I have written. So minus 4 plus 4y. This becomes what? Plus into minus, minus. So again minus into minus, plus. So that's what I have written over there. Clear? Now let's go for the next one. So let this be the first equation. Keep the first equation aside. Now let's start with the second equation. So this is what we will be solving the second equation. Second equation also same process. Second equation is also same process. We will be having same process for the second equation also. Clear? So here the second equation is nothing but we have taken SA is equal to SB, right? Now what you do, you take SB is equal to SC. Only these both values. Okay, SB is equal to SC. So here let it be. So SB is equals to SC. Squaring on both sides, so SB square is equals to SC square. write this step, write this squaring on both sides as the second step. Okay, firstly you write SB is equals to SC, and then you write squaring on both sides as the next step. Clear? I'm just taking that step directly. So here where SA, firstly I would like to write the equation for SB. Okay, so here let us write down this equation where 2x, what the equation that we got, 2x minus y plus 6 is equals to 0. So this is the first equation, just keep that equation aside. Okay. Okay, so here SB square is equal to SC square. Now here, we know the formula x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. So x2 is what? Minus 3. Okay, just look over here, there nothing but nothing. We have done the previous question, just now we done this both steps, right? So as it is, you just write down, try to solve this one. Okay, what you do, you pause the video guys. You pause the video, you try to do the sum and try to find out this equation, and then you again skip the video from there if you got a correct answer. Okay, so let it be here. You have SB whole square is equal to SC whole square. SB whole square. SB value means minus 2 minus 1. Achhi, minus x2 minus x1 whole square. So x2 is what? Minus 3. Minus x1 whole square. x1 is what? X. Clear? Plus y2 5 minus y1 y whole square, which is equals to again SC whole square. So what you do, you substitute c values over here where c is equal to what? 5 comma minus 1. Clear? C is equal to 5 comma minus 1. x2 x1 as it is. Sorry, x2 y2 as it is. 5 comma minus 1 x2 y2 as it is. Okay. Now here c x2 means 5 minus x whole square plus minus 1 minus y whole square. Clear? Now here comes the process guys. Now what you do, you just take the formula as we know, a square minus b square is equal to a plus a square minus a minus b whole square. You will be having two formulas, but here you consider a square minus b square. A minus b whole square is equal to a square plus b square minus 2ab. Sorry. So here you have a minus b whole square, a square plus b square minus 2 is 6. This becomes, guys, here you have again the same process where 2 is minus 6 into minus x. This becomes what? Plus 6x. Clear? Plus 5 minus y whole square means a minus b whole square. A square is 25. A square is 25 plus b y square minus 2 5 are 10y. Clear? This is equals to. Are you getting it? This is equals to 5 minus x whole square. A square how much? 25 plus b square minus 2 5 are 10x. I mean minus 2ab. Okay. So here again plus a square means 1 square. A square minus 1 into minus 1 plus 1, right? So 1 square minus b square how much? A square plus b square. This becomes y square minus 2y. I mean here this becomes plus 2. Plus 2y. Clear? Clear? Now okay. So guys, here you try to simplify this, like simplify this problem. Here x square cancel, right? Y square cancel. Here you also have y square. And do you get any common thing here? You have minus 10xy. Here you have x, so don't need to cancel here. 25 here I have 25. Here I have 25. So 25 cancel. Plus 25 plus 25, right? So that's what I have cancelled. The plus 25 plus 25. Here you have plus 10x. Done. Now here comes the process. Now here you have 9 plus 6x. Let it be. So here 6x, let 6x be like this. 6x minus 10x. Sorry, minus 10y. Plus y. Plus 9 is equals to. Wait a minute. So here just try to cross all these values. Clear? Now here, what would you do guys here? Just transpose these values to the other side. Okay, here we are left over with minus 10x plus 1 plus 2y, right? So transpose these whole values to the other side. If you transpose the minus becomes plus, plus becomes minus, as you know the formula through it. Here you have minus 10x, here if I bring this becomes plus 10x, here plus 1, here becomes minus 1, here you have plus 2y, this becomes minus 2y is equal 0. Clear? Hope you got it. Clear? Now minus 10x, this cancel, but I cancel this 3 because I have written over here. Okay. Now here comes the process. Just try to solve the equation inside it. Okay. So here you have the process. Minus 2y minus 10y, right? Minus 12y. This gives minus 12y. Before going to y, you just solve the x values. Okay. Variables for solve the variable of x values. Here you have 6x. Plus 10x, this becomes plus 16x, 16x. Minus 10y, here you have minus 2y, this becomes minus 12y. Plus 9, minus 1, plus 8, this is equal 0. Clear? Okay, so guys, here now what you do is you take 4 table common, as here for 4 16, 4 times 3 is 12, 4 times 2 is 8, 4 2 is 8, right? Yeah. So now what you do, take 4 as common, okay, 4 times 4 is 16, minus 4 times 3 is 12, and plus 4 times 2 is 8, which is equal 0, clear? This is the second equation that we got. Clear guys? Now, here I got second equation, well second equation is 4x minus 3y. Plus 2 is equal to 0. So here I am not considering 4 because I am transposing this 4 to the other side. I will be showing this. Transpose this 4 to the other side, this becomes 0 by 4, which is always 0. Are you getting it? Here in my 10th class I got confused over here where basic maths plays a very important role in our life. But I usually get confused why we have taken the equation which is only in the bracket, why we have not considered this 4. Because and then after a few days one of my friends said, transposing this 4 to the other side, this becomes division. Okay, so guys, here what you do, transpose this 4 to the other side, this becomes 0 by 4, which is always 0. Clear? I mean 4 by 0 maybe. Okay, so let it be. Okay, so here guys, we got the first equation and second equation. What you do is, equation number 1, we got the first equation and we got what, second equation. So from first and second equation, so we got 2 equations, right? And now no need to use this one. Okay, we got 2 equations from this given condition. Now from equation 1 and equation 2, you find out the x value and y value. Clear? From equation 1 and equation 2. So this is the equation 1. What is our equation 1? 2x minus y plus 6 is equal to 0. And equation 2 is 4x minus 3y plus 2 is equals to 0. Okay, so this is equation number 1, equation number 2. So here we must follow this BCAB. Okay, so let this be x, y, let it be 1 over here. Now this will be a very interesting thing actually. Here you have BCAB. Consider B value. B value is what? Minus 1, as we know, right? So consider B value. B value is what? Minus 1. I will write right there. So here you have a B value is what? Minus 1. Okay. C value is what? 6 plus 6. Okay. C. Write C over here. And A value next. A means what? 2. B value is what? Again minus 1. Done. Clear? Now again just go for the second equation as it is, where B value minus 3, C value is what? 2, A value is what? 4, B value is what? Minus 3. Clear? Bye. Now just cross multiply this, cross multiply this, cross multiply this. I mean here cross multiplication is nothing but x by minus 2. Here guys, x by minus 2, this is nothing but x by a minus b. X by a minus b, or y by, this is equal to y by a minus b. Okay, where minus symbol is necessary. Okay, so my minus symbol, we usually keep minus symbol. So that's what here I have minus 18. Okay, minus 18, minus into minus plus. So I would write plus 18. Clear? Are you getting it? No. So this is equals to y by 6 4 24, 24 minus 2 is 4. This is equals 1 by minus 6 plus 4. Okay. Clear? Now here comes the process, guys, where x by minus 2 plus 18, how much? 18 minus 2, how much? 16. X by minus 16. So here you have what? We have got this. Okay. 4 minus 6 minus 6 plus 4 is equals to what? Minus 6 plus 4. Minus 6 plus 4, how much? It's minus 2. We'll be getting plus over here. I mean here you have plus 18 minus 2. This gives plus 16, not minus 16. Okay, plus 16. Plus 16, which is equal to 1 by, you just go with minus 2. Clear? X by 60 is equal to 1 by minus 2. Clear? Where this is equal to what this gives me. I will try to write over here. This gives me what? Here just keep minus 2 in denominator place. Now you transpose this. You just carry this 16 to the numerator place. This becomes 16 by minus 2. Okay, 2 1s are 2, 2 8s are 16. Where x is equals to minus 8. Clear? X is equals to what? Minus 8. Clear? Hope you got it. Now let's go for the y value as it is. As you got, I hope you got it. As it is, you find out the y value also. Where y is equals to, I mean y by 24 minus 4, this gives what? Plus 20. Okay, plus 20 by 1 by minus 2. Okay, which is equals to, which gives what? Minus 2 in the denominator as it is. So minus 2 denominator minus 2 in the denominator as it is. Where 20 by minus 2, which is equals to 1s are to 10 times. This becomes minus 10 equal to y. Where y is equals to what? Minus 10. Are you getting it? Y is where x is equal to minus 8, y is equal to minus 10. So I can say here by this whole process I can say where s is equal to x comma y, right? So these x comma y values are what? Minus 8 comma minus 10. Mean where x value is minus 8 and y value is minus 10. I can say the circumcenter of the given triangle is minus x comma minus 10 is the circumcenter. Clear? Hope you got it. Thank you.